I've been broke, been bruised, been used. Had folks talking like they know my shoes. Ain't no saint, I've raised some hell, but I learned my peace where my demons dwell. I quit chasing ghosts that don't pay rent. Quit worrying about the ones who went. Now I walk my road, dust on my boots. It's definitely a chuckler. My truth, whatever it roots. Cause I don't give a damn who don't like me. This world spins fast and time ain't free. We're all just sparks in the midnight sky, fading out slow, saying goodbye. So pour that whiskey, let it burn fine. Laugh at the scars that prove I'm alive. We're all just living on borrowed time. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.
How far do you think?
It's 45 yards. I shot him for 45.
Do you think that was solid?
It was just a touch high, but I think it's pure lungs. It popped.
Babe, it's opening day.
She's right. It was opening day. I had just arrowed a beautiful bull. At what I thought was at 40 yards. Looking back, I don't know what happened. I don't know if I misranged. I don't know if I used the wrong pin. I don't know what happened. But I'm gonna start this story off at the highest of highs and then the lowest of lows. Because guess what? That's elk hunting.
The only time I got to praying for a red light was when I saw your destination as a deadline. No more competition, baby, it's all fine. It's a fire calculation, never fall alive. Good love, there is the word. It's a strong hand and found mine.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we're up here in the backcountry. No, first morning that we've been out. Maybe heard some phantom bugles. Definitely didn't wake up early enough.
Heard a real bugle.
Lou pretends that he heard a real bugle.
Bull heard it too.
Well, he's partially deaf.
That's a bull.
like there's two. Like one's further up that way, and one's right over here. That one almost sounded like he was up on top. Yeah. We got a bull bugling up here. Right at the top of this knoll. He was bugling over here, but he must have pushed his cows over there. Taylor's got him all sorts of fired up, hot and bothered. We're gonna go up there. Blake's gonna center punch that mother. Punch 32. God, we went like 14 feet.
Oh, hey there.
See? Coming up the right side. You think so? You think so? I see it.
So, we hiked up to this one spot. Its name's Bones. And we walked like 30 miles. And then we got up there and we bugled, and a bull bugled. We called in 2 bulls and didn't get a shot on them.
Ow.
Outro.
before the sun comes up.
You gotta stay right here. He's coming. He's just tucked around in there.
Think of anything. That's closer. He's gonna come down. See that grass at the end? I think they'll be coming down.
There's a little meadow up there.
I saw that too.
When the cold comes pushing down heavy on this town, and there's no one around to keep out the sound that is all in my head. No, it's all in my head. I'm holding it back till I'm lying in bed. That's when all the walls close in on me. Breathing in, breathing out. How you been? Settled down. You feeling right? You feeling proud? How are your kids? Where are they now? You build a boat, you build a life. You lose your friends, you lose your wife. You settle in.
He's back up in the corner. He's definitely a chuckler. Yep, here he comes. I think he's gonna come down below us here. It looks way too thick. He might come down below us here. I don't know. was way over.
There he goes. Might hit the tree behind him. Still out there. We need a rake or something. There he is, broadside right there. He's working up to get above us right now.
Well, I remember their names as I fan the flames to the fire. Just a stiff one and Waylon are the only two things I desire. It's been a damn long year, and you really don't help that I really ain't been too good to myself. 'Cause I can't get past all this pain and depression I'm in.
Hi. Blowing decent air. Just not taking it. Alright, you guys, we are headed up to a place that we coined the saddle last year. It's on this end of where Blake missed the pole last night. We're gonna get up on top and hopefully the thermals are pulling up. We'll bugle into that canyon. Bull will bugle back to us. We're gonna drop down in there. Blake's gonna kill it. And then we're gonna be done. So, give us like 2.5 hours to get up there because I'm fat.
And we're
I'm
about
sore.
2 hours late because of that tire.
And I'm hurting.
The tire leaking?
Stabbed it with a striking pole.
I'm so fat.
It's not much. There's a herd of elk. Like 6 miles. Up by the goats. Blake's really wanting to go shoot him. As you guys can see.
Halfway there.
That's 2 bulls. That was that growler from last night.
At approximately 1 o'clock in the afternoon on September 14th, we had this spike bull come within range. This would mark the last close encounter with an elk that we got on film. This story doesn't end in a fairy tale fashion. No bulls on the ground, no tags were punched. But most importantly, out of all of that, we learned something new every time we'd step foot in the woods. And we worked our asses off the entire way through. I want to quickly wrap back to that first day of September 6th, when I mistakenly wounded that bull. You guys only got to see a quick segment of that day. I just wanted to give you some clarification. We did spend the entirety of the next day doing everything that we could do to recover that bull. It's a piss poor shot. Bad judgment. I own up to it. I've learned from it. It's not the first mistake I've made. It's definitely not going to be the last. But us, as hunters, we owe it to that animal to do everything that we physically can do to make a quick, clean, exceptional kill. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in, and whoever has made it this far. Like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you.
Won't you stay with me? Medicate.